All right, good. We're tracking. Nice. All right, let's see if I have any. Okay, I'm gonna copy it over to here. There we go. That should work. Okay, and the tracking is wonky, of course, because it's too dark. Okay, why isn't my mic working? That's a problem. Mic, mic, no. There. Damn it. What have you done? Did that work? No. Hello? Damn it. What the fuck? Come on. Here? Damn it. What the hell? Come on, microphone. Where are you? Where the fuck is my sound settings? Holy shit. Okay. Okay. What the hell? Why are you muting me? Here? Here? Why is my mic getting auto muted? Let me think. Let me think here. Why would my mic be getting auto like silent? That would be something that you'd figure out. Here? No. Damn it, what the hell? How does this happen? Wait, how in the fuck does this work? How does okay? How does this work? Okay, it's working now. Holy shit, it's working. It spontaneously started working. Okay, that's great. All right. Okay, so how does this sound now? Let's try the test and see. That test meant nothing. But it is recording at a good level, so I guess that's fine. I don't want to know what 100% input is because it says it's at 3%, but this seems to be. Is it scuffed? Is that what's going on here? I feel like that must be. There's no way this is not scuffed. Let me see. Can I do a quick recording? All right, here's a quick recording. Let's see how that sounds. Show recording. And of course I can't hear it. Okay, I think that's half decent, but it's a little quiet. Let me up this a little bit because this is a nightmare to deal with. No, I wanted the Yeti. God damn it. Why would you go here? I hate Windows 11. It's so unintuitive. 74. 74. There we go. I think that's better. I hope that's better. It should be better. Let's try another recording. All right, here's another recording. Dear God, please fucking work. This is ridiculous. Show recordings. How's this one? There we go. There we go. There we fucking go. What a nightmare. Okay, so we fixed the issue with the microphone. Wait, yeah, that seems good. And then we have, I want to add some music, BGM. So eh, maybe we'll lower it. There we go. That solves that problem. And then we will just go with play. It's not shuffle. Damn it. Come on. When I hit shuffle, I don't hear anything. Well, of course, you're not supposed to hear anything. Okay, that sounds decent. It's about where we want it to be at. I think. Let's see. I might get flagged. Okay. Let's see. I'd rather not play it through there. Let's see. Um, let's just. Oh, no. I'll think of something to play in the background. Um, let's see. Let's go here. Home for me. The link, right? But that's spelled right, and you can't tell me it's not. There we go. Actually, let's do some more. Let me think. Let me think here. Let me see. see here. Hmm. Is there a way to share this? No. Hmm. Um, burning through a lot of time. What was that? I don't even know. Okay. Still feel like my audio is too low, but it might be fine. Uh, nah, that's too low. I don't know why it's lower today than it normally is, but I'm gonna raise it a little bit higher. See, there we go. And of course, this doesn't work the way basic logic. Yeah, that would remove all the settings tabs and not just the one settings tab I wanted. That doesn't even take me. Oh, there's sound. We found sound. Okay. And input, microphone. Let's try 70. I don't know. Is this going to be too loud? Is that good? That seems good. This seems. Does it seem better? Yeah, I think that seems better. And then you can just turn on the volume from there. That's fine. It'll all be fine. It'll all work out. Okay. So the next thing is fixing. Ah, shit. Mhm. Oh, I know. I know what I can do. We have that muted. So can't do that. Okay. What I can do is that shouldn't dox me, should it? Oh. Okay, we're fine with this. This is fine. Listening on. Oh, fucking this weird ass thing doesn't let me play for multiple courses at once. Hmm. Let me think. Play this. Get that. Okay. No. Would that work? I'd imagine this would be fine. Let's see. Okay, I need to close this. And then we have that, shuffle. And I don't want you doing anything weird. Ah, crap, that's loud. Oh, wait, you should be able to hear that. Right? Right? Right. I don't even know. Where does this play from? What? What? Wait. Oh my god. I'm just really stupid. Okay. Okay. Everything makes sense now. Everything makes sense to me now. Except for how loud this should be. Quieter? I think that's good. And it's playing through here, which is maybe good. And we'll see if we get... I'll keep an eye on YouTube. I know YouTube doesn't like music. they get mad. I'll figure that out. Okay, so let's see. Is this a good volume? Yeah, I think that's a good volume. Maybe. If it's too quiet, I'll be able to tell. Maybe. I think it needs to be a little louder. Just a little bit. There's 35. I think that's good. Okay. So play that. And let's see. We have that. And I kind of want to move this thing here a little bit over. I can just move myself, right? And just drag myself a little bit closer to the corner. Nice. And I need to fix the tracking. Tracking should be a lot better now. I think everything's good. Volume should be good. Mobile controls. Why do I have mobile controls on my thing? Okay. Okay. And am I tracking? I'm tracking. Nice, nice. Everything's... Okay. I think everything seems good. Everything looks good to me. Let's see. Let's make a tweet. Right. Let's see. Let's see. I have some reserved hashtags that I could use. Just open up. Let's remove some confidence. A little bit more confidence there. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I don't feel confident enough to tag that. Alright. That seems like a completely illiterate tweet. I think it's great. And we almost ran out of space. Let's see. And we have that tag, we have this in here, we have that. I don't know if it's better to tag my Twitch or my YouTube. The only reason I'm leaning towards my Twitch or my YouTube is because it's a lot easier to tag from within here. Because it just had it on a previous page where I have absolutely... Wait. If I go here, where does it leave me at?
So
No.
I don't get all the way up there and can't shoot the poor things.
Oh, did I just go to channel? Hey, there we go. Just go to channel. Alright, hey, there we go. Hey, I can hear myself. Just go to channel. Alright, hey, there we go. Hey, I can hear myself. Just go to channel. Alright, hey, there we go. Infinite loop. Alright. It didn't sound like it was picking up the BGM though. Maybe if I turn... I don't want to turn up the volume too loud though. Now I'm curious. I'm curious now how this sounds on Twitch. I can't hear it. Let me speak. Oh wait, am I hearing? Wait, that wouldn't work. What am I doing? I need to test by going over here and then turning off the volume. See if I can hear it. Oh, that's not getting picked up at all, is it? Wait. I can't even hear myself anymore. Wait. I can't even hear myself anymore. Alright, here's the test. Wait. I can't even hear myself anymore. Alright, here's the test. Wait. I can't even hear myself anymore. Alright, here's the test. Wait. I can't even hear myself anymore. Alright, here's the test. Alright. I think it can be a little louder. Not much louder. Maybe here? I think here's good. Here's good. I think. I don't know. I don't want it to get too loud though. We're shooting for 25. That's what I'm shooting for. Let's see. So, let's see here. Let me post this really quick. There, posted. Alright. So, let's see what we have. Head over to here. It's slow. There we go. Oh. Oh wait. It's sort of bugged out for a second. Okay. Let's see here. Oh, that's blocking chat. 1 second. Okay, everything's good. So let's see here. So we have the character here. We need to find the blueprint. Wherever that is. Here. Hope that I can just add some sort of collider. Alright. And so let's see. Does this all work? I need to go to... They have a mesh here. This looks good. Okay. So I need to add to this mesh a slider. How do I do that? Let me see. Oh, right there. And we will just go with a box collider. And we'll just put it right out here. And then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take, let's see. see, I want to take this, and I want to make it sort of like an on-trigger event, right? In Unity, that's what they call it. Let's see what they call it here. I think maybe make this a little louder. Oh, that did absolutely nothing to the volume. It'll be a little bit. Let me see. What would be the equivalent of on trigger here? Apply? No. Simulate? If true? No. We want that just ragdolls it. Oh, here's physics. Simulation generate. Generate overlap events. What's this? Should hit a fence fire when object flies in physics simulation. Let's see what this does. This will be a test. We'll save it. Compile. And then we're gonna go to here. And we're gonna see if sure you wanna play? Yes, that thing is always buggy on the first build. There we go. And let's see what happens. Blueprint compile error. Hopefully that was just something silly that doesn't matter. Alright, we need a couple of seconds for the frames to actually work. Okay. So, let's see. Oh, wow. That's like, there's... 1 second. Alright. So, I think this is almost good if it weren't for the fact that this build is really bugged out. So we'll stop and then we'll rebuild. Okay. And let's go. This is great. This is so sluggish though. That's it. I don't get why the input's super sluggish right now. But what I want to do now is I want to, and I didn't want to do that, we'll move you over here for now. So what I want is I want to hit this. Alright. And now we're gonna, I should be ejected from this one, I'm not moving. Alright, and then I want to see what my colliders look like. I can't see my colliders. Why can't I see my colliders? How do I make it so I can see my colliders? It's blocking chat. There. I only want to do that one thing. Okay. How do I see colliders? I can't see the collider. Wait. This doesn't look right. It does a little bit. Maybe this is working. It's hard for me to tell if this is working right or not without being able to see the colliders. Oh, maybe here. Is there a way to see? I might have to Google it. Show. Oh, here you go. We want to see the colliders. Show me the colliders. There we are. Alright. Now that is a nightmare. But yes, that is what we want to see. We want to see this phasing through that object right there. That's great. That is exactly what I want. I want it to just detect if there's something directly in front of me. Right. So, next logic is 200 Why do you need to rebuild these? That's the landscape. Why do you need to rebuild the landscape? You don't need to rebuild the landscape. And I'm gonna hide the colliders now. Where are the colliders? There we go. That's easier to work with. Okay. Now, let's see here. Let me think. Yeah, I'm so very paranoid about my volume. Incredibly paranoid. I feel like it's too quiet, but then I'm afraid that if I don't know. I'll just check in a VOD and see if the volume's good. Okay, let's see. Next step is to create a notification for when I am colliding with an object that can be interacted with. No. I want to collide with something that is the terrain. If it collides with the terrain, I want to know that. That is what I want to do. So, what I'm gonna do to do that is to go into back to this blueprint here, and let's see. Is there something as simple as a like? These are input actions. I want to add a graph for like an on collision, but I don't know how to. No, I'm not going to create a new event graph. I can keep the main one. And what I want to do is see if there's like an on collision enter. That's what they call it in Unity. Or yeah, on collision enter. That's the logic I want to see. And that's horrifically spelled. Let's see here. Get material from collision phase. None of these look like what I want. What do they call these here? Event. Let's look at the word event and see what we see. Event tick, event on, movement event on, event begin, event add custom event, event. Okay, that's not what we want. Mouse input, damage, collision, here we go. Actor begin overlap. Now let's see. Other actor. Ooh, this isn't quite. This is very close to what I want. But I specifically want it for that very specific collider. Maybe what I want to do. Let me try this. Let's go to this box here. And let's see if we can create a special blueprint just for this box. Can I create a special blueprint for this box here? Where I just say add? No. Let me try in here. Let's see if I... No. No, I can't do it from in there. That wouldn't work. See, what was the name of the thing I just checked? It was in the collision. It was called simulation page. Well, that's what I got rid of, right? Or was it this? Oh wait. Is that the thing I changed? I feel stupid now. Wait. Generate overlap events. This is exactly what we want, is an event. So we want to generate overlap events. Right? And then I can, let me think. Let's see. I need to do something. I need to take, so we have this, and then what I want to do? Go to event crap. Let's see if I can do something with this box here. Box. Maybe collision. Was it collision? Collision. No, event. Event collision. Event collision. Event hit. And that's man, I want to see the capsule components logic. Specifically with the collision generator. Damn it. So how does this work then? Maybe I have to go here and we'll uncheck that for now. Okay, and then I can use this. Okay, that makes sense. I'm learning. Very slowly, but I am learning. On component. Let me think. So you want on component begin overlap, right? Or is it no? Yes. Wait. Is there like an on component? Sleep, wake, begin overlap on component hit. What does activated mean? Okay, we'll add this. On component begin overlap box. And we want an if statement. So it's gonna say if where is it? Let me think, what would be the logic? No. Yeah, it's just a regular if-else block. Can I just, I guess maybe I search if-else. This is not what I want. If I look up Ella, this means nothing. How do you find an if statement in this thing? It's huge. Maybe if I look up condition. There's a switch case right there. Flow control. Maybe flow control will have it. Let's see. What? Oh, branch! That's what it's called. Okay, that makes sense. Alright. And so the condition will be overlapped component. No. If. What's their. This is other actor. So if other actor has to. I don't know. For rain? Can I. No. Let me go back into the thing to see what exactly we're calling the terrain. Oh, it's called a landscape. So you think I can just cast a landscape? I think that might be possible, right? Oh, hi Paradox. How's it going? Yeah, right now I'm just, really early on in this right now. Honestly, this is the whole climbing system right here. It's just this box trying to figure things out. Chilling? Yeah. So let's see. We got this box here, and on overlap we got to figure out if the actor is part of the landscape, right? So we cast the landscape and then it succeeds, then we're gonna set this condition to true. So let's see. Do I have to create a whole new variable? I should have to create a variable for that, right? Okay, I get it. I know what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm not all that familiar with this is kind of new to the Unreal Engine, so I'm just still figuring this out as I'm going. So we'll create a new variable. Oh, I actually already have a variable there. So if that is that, then we're gonna set this. We want this defaulting on false, right? Yep. And we're gonna set it to no. We're gonna go here, and then we're gonna set this to we want to set it to true if it passed, and then we want to have that, and then we'll connect that there. Alright, and so from here, let me check. Alright, and now let's see why this isn't going to work, because I feel like this probably won't work very well. So first, I'll have to take the starting point and move it next to some sort of mountain, so let's hope this kind of works. And we'll go down here, go over here, go down here, go down here, and that's pretty close to a good starting point. That's too low. Okay. And then I'll move. We're running. Okay. Let's move this into the corner. We can see if this ever begins or triggers. So if I run into this here, let's see. I can't. We want to check. I don't know if you can live check this stuff as it's flying, as it's going. Let me see. Is there a way to check, like, to debug as it's running and see if this hit? Or what would be the best way to do that? Let me see. I don't think it... I can just have it log it. I think that would be the easiest way. Because I'm not sure if there's a way to just debug. So can I just say, oh, if true, we will create like a log. Hmm. Let's see. Get log frequency. I think I'm gonna have to just Google that. Oh wait, maybe this. Is this visual log or oh. If print2 is, let's see if this works. And then we'll just say that colliding. And then my guess is that it'll show up here. Let's see. So either that didn't work, either my code didn't work, or my writing to log didn't work. I'm guessing that my code didn't work, but let me Google and see. Let's see. Write to log or write to console or something. Maybe I don't want to use log, maybe I want to write to, what is this thing? Just maybe I'll just look up debugging here. That's a macro. I hope I don't need to download a macro. I shouldn't have to. I should just be able to. Let's see. Maybe blueprint debugging. Add return notes. I would prefer not to have to do that. Let's see. Let me think. Do we have? That's the log out. Oh, here we go. Here we go. So print to screen, print to log. So it should pop up on the screen whenever I do anything. Actually, there's a really easy way to test this, which is we'll just have this pop up. This is camera input. So basically the... is there like an on start? On jump. Okay. So we'll just... Oh. We'll paste that here. So check to make sure the debugging works by just having it debug on jump. And then if it works on jump, we'll be good. Oh, there's the log right there. Okay. Alright, I see where it pops up. Okay. So get rid of this. Oh, we're still running. There we go. Now I can get rid of that. And then I can move this over to... Oh, we're not running right now. So we run, and now I can check to see if this works. So we get a message there. We are not getting a message when I run into this. Okay. So that clearly doesn't work. Let's see, what did I do wrong here? Hmm, let's see. We have print. Oh, this is. So. Let's see. Well, the first thing I can do is I can remove this. Or, actually I don't want to delete that. Too late. I think I already deleted it. Yeah. Undo. Let's just run this right through here. So, in theory, anytime this box collides with anything, it will like that. Okay, and that's still not working. Oh, I think I know what the problem is. So the problem is that I need, what do I need? I need to go here, and I need to go to, I don't need to say that. So I think the problem is probably this. If I do that, then it will probably work. Really? Still doesn't work? Then I'm out of ideas for how to get this. Because I should be colliding with this, right? Let's check out here. Show collision. Oh, I think I missed that. No, we have it. Okay. So I should be able to see what the collider looks like. Yeah, so there's our box there. It's clearly colliding with the terrain. But it is still on component begin overlap. So if this doesn't work, then I'm not sure. We're all saved. Okay, so it wasn't behind anything. Let me think. So, what does this do then if it doesn't trigger anything when it's overlapping? I'm hitting the wall. See. Must have generate overlap events. Set to true to generate overlap events. So what could be the issue is that this terrain doesn't have that, right? So if I do this, we have the landscape, and the landscape should have a collision and generate overlap events. Okay, so I think this will work now. Alright. Nope. There's input lag, but that's manageable. Alright, so we are getting that now. Nice. Okay. So, if we collide into that, we have the phase 0 of climbing done, which is that just getting that, knowing when it's running into a wall. So the next step is, actually that's just running into anything. The next step is getting it, oh, I lost, where is my blueprint? Oh, there it is. Alright, so the next step is just getting it so that, let's see. Let's see. We'll keep that there. Alright, so let's change the direction of this to here. That takes us to here. And let's hope that it can do that. It can just use that cast to landscape to identify if something's a landscape. And if it is, then nope, it does not work like that. Or wait, let me double check to make sure. Do we have that? Okay, so it's permanently set to true. Good. I'm gonna check to make sure that this is applying the. Okay, I want to apply this to all the landscapes, not just that one. Oh, and it's a type landscape something. Streaming proxy. I don't know if that's. So if I hit generate overlap on this, see what happens. I don't think it'll. I still don't think it'll work, but maybe this will make it work. But I think no, this won't work. That's fine. I didn't think it would. But if let's see, I'm casting to the wrong thing. What do we really want to cast to? Let's see what other things I can cast to. So we have cast to. Let's see. Oh, we want to cast to. Let's see if there's other types of landscapes. Landscape actor class. Let's see. Landscape proxy, landscape. Let's see what happens if we cast to landscape streaming. Because that's what it says everything is of the type of. So let's see if that. Oh, that's an error. Oh, of course, other actor here. Okay, that should work now. And so we have this here. There we go. Now it can tell if it's colliding into specifically a landscape. That's great. So that means that it ran into a wall, and so the next thing is to put it. We have the let's see, what's the next step then? If we're here, we want to go into climb mode, which climb mode set to true, and then actually there is one last thing that we don't get locked into this. So we want on component end overlap, and so this will go over here. We're gonna copy this. It's gonna be almost the same, except we're gonna have this be false. So then say no longer collide. Okay. So this should allow us to be able to tell. Let's just do a quick test to make sure. Oh, did I forget to pass in the variable? Yeah. Variable passed. Work. Okay. And let's see. We have collided. Nope, that didn't work. Again. That's not working. Well, I could always worry about that some other time. Let's see. So we have this here, and we are trying to get on component end overlap. If it is of the type landscape streaming, set climb mode to false. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Okay. So we set that to false, and then that means the condition would be... Okay, that makes sense. There we go. So this is now false, and then that would return that. Okay. So I think that was the issue. I know that was the issue. Guaranteed. Okay. So the next thing is to check. Let's see. I should have a, what's it called? We have a folder somewhere over here, and that folder would be here. No, that's not the one we were looking for. We need to find the controls. Where are the controls? Input. Alright. We'll open this up. We have the climbing controls here. And so let's see. Let's see how they have. Oh, okay. Let me see. So movement input is set up like this. And I guess the first thing we want to do is we want to make it so movement input has a get. Oh, actually no, we want to find it here. And there should be a climb mode. So we're gonna get this. We're gonna... Oh, we need a condition. What was it called again? I forget what they called it. A branch. That's what they call it. So we're gonna have a branch statement. And that branch statement is gonna be based on if... Oh, we need a not, actually. This is if it's not. So there should be... Oh. This isn't what I wanted. It's a not equal. I want a not as in... I want to make this the opposite. So, let's see. Let's see if they have something for booleans. Just... Oh, not boolean. There we go. That's exactly what we want. Okay. So we want this, not here. Okay. So if we're not in climb mode, then we're gonna go here. We're gonna take this. Oh, I could have just done the false. That's actually better. That's more... So, if climb mode is false, then we'll do this. And jumping will be the... should be the exact same. So we're just gonna take this, copy this down here, and we're gonna go down here, and we're gonna... Oh wait. Let me think about this. Completed here. Okay. We just need it on started. We just need to block it on started. False. I don't know if there's a better way to do this. Let me think. We have this here, which can't really be... Okay, I think this is the best way to do this. So the next plan is, what am I doing? So we have that. Okay, so I want to check to see if those changes. So what should happen, I should run into a wall and I'll just be stuck there and I won't be able to move. Should be able to rotate. I shouldn't be able to. Alright, great. So I can't move, but now I'm no longer climbing, so I should be able to move. Okay, great. Okay. So the next step is to actually build the controls for the movements for climbing, which I'm not looking forward to doing, but that's the overly complicated part. So let's see. Let's just start here, and the input's gonna be let's see, the easiest thing to start with would be let's see, what is this? Enhance input action look. Okay. And so I want enhance input action left arm. Oh, I should be able to search for that. Alright. Enhance action events, IA left arm. Oh, what's it? Oh, we want this. And so this means that the moment that this gets activated. Oh, wait. We might have to change the behavior of this a little bit. So that's on the left mouse button. What are our options for this? No. Okay. I think this is fine as it is. So I'm gonna want to do is I'm gonna want to make this triggered. Wait, how do I want to have it no on release? So this is on triggered. We also need to figure out what to do on release. So there's got to be something in here for holding a button. Maybe. Let me go into my climbing. We have right arm, right leg, left arm. Alright. So left arm action trigger when paused. Choose organize pause, that doesn't matter. Resolve all markings. What I need is an the modifiers. I don't think any modifiers on this will really matter. Let's see. There's no. Okay. Yeah. So I want to do it with like a. Have it hold it. See. Well, how does actually? I don't know why I'm. So. I move. Add movement input. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna have this triggered. If it's triggered, then the first thing we need to do is say if, and we're gonna take, where is that value? It's way too far away. If climb mode. Keep climb mode. And we're gonna take this here. And I'm going to take creative climb mode, and this time it's gonna be true. Then I want to be able to control the left arm with this input. So that's, let me think. I'll have to go into the blueprint. No, not just first person. I guess we want to raise the arm, is what we want. And so, is there an animation to call to raise the arm? Or something similar, add movement input. No, jump, okay, jump runs. Okay, so it calls a function jump. But where is this jump function? Oh, that's gonna open up Visual Studio. I don't want to do that. Can we stop that? No, we can't. Let's see. Eventually, I'll be able to close Visual Studio. There we go. Let's force quit. Force quit. Force quit. Okay. Okay. So where is this function jump coming from? It must be coming from... Oh! In the character movement component. Thank you. So they have a character movement component. Right now I'm just learning this to see how they do it so I can do the same thing. Character movement. Can I just search for this, maybe? No. I don't see this component anywhere. See. Character move. Actually, maybe just search for movement. That's not in here. Can be created in character movement component. And here? No. Let's see. Where else could it be? Oh, I see it. It's right here. Okay. It's this thing here. We have this character movement, and so this probably calls several animations, right? That's how it works. Let's see what they have. Oh, I can search. No, that's not cool. Let's see what animations they have. They have walking, jumping, falling. So can I just add more? I should be able to add more to this character movement component, right? How do I do that? There's custom movement. That might be what I'm looking for. Where was custom movement again? Character movement, custom movement. That means very little. Character movement of type character movement component. I just have to look this up. I'm not sure. Or maybe I can just make my own components for this. Maybe. Let's see. What I want to do. New tab. And just do arm animation. And I will learn how to do this. Maybe I'm missing something in here. Seems like it could be simpler than this. Let me double check the event trap. Character movement component. Okay. Maybe I don't need to worry about all that. Let's see. What I really need to do is just get it so that the arm gets raised. That's all I want to do for starters. So if we press the arm button, it'll just raise the arm up. There's gotta be, inside this character, there's gotta be animations, right? Oh, here it is. Here's the animations folder. Good. So if I were to take one of these animations, oh, there's a whole blueprint for this. Let's see what the blueprint looks like. So we have this blueprint here. Okay. It's a pretty simple blueprint. Very simple movement. Rifle jump. That's all this is. Okay. I think the next thing I want to do is I want to create an animation sequence with these. So I think the first thing I want to do, let's find if we can find a sequence. Alright, we'll start with jump. Or I don't want to start with jump. I want to take this jump. I want to duplicate it. And instead of calling it jump, we're going to call it first person raise left arm. My computer's really sluggish right now. So we're going to take this animation that they have right now. And what are we doing with this? Pause that. So. Oh, and I lost the arms. There they are. So, Edit in sequencer. There's a skeleton. Blueprint. Physics asset. Control rig. Reduce baselines. Make the control rig. Let's see what happens. That didn't do anything that I could understand. What happens if I go into this? Oh, cool. Okay, this is more what I was thinking of. So... preview animation. No. Oh, okay. This is our animation here. This is where I want to be at. I can't, like... select anything in this without... what do I want to do? So, is there a way to... I wish there was a way to animate an engine. There's gotta be some way, and I'm just missing it. Create asset. I think I'm gonna have to look this up because I don't know how they, if and how you can do animations on this. This might just be like a previewer. I might have to use something else for animating this, but let's check. What's this called? Is this a tutorial or is it just let's see. Field guide? I don't need that. I think I'm getting off track. Animations in the marketplace, like that. Here's a YouTube video. That'll probably work. See. Alright. And then... oh, there's like a menu up here. I didn't notice that. Let's see. Oh, you have to like manually type it in? Is that really how it works? speed. We have is this the same? Alright, so it's in the asset details. Oh, you can go to the skeleton tree. Oh, I get it now. Okay. So I can just, can I click on things from here? No, that would make things too easy. So instead we have to you don't need spine. What is with this? Why are there so many spines before we get to no. Upper arm left. This is what we've been looking for. Alright, so I want to do, I want to take this upper arm here that we finally managed to find, and I want to rotate it upwards, and I want to rotate it outwards, and then I want to take the lower arm and I want to rotate it like this, and I just want to see what that looks like. Well, let's first play this. It should look really wonky because it's half its arms trying to jump and the other half's trying to do who knows what. So let's find this arm, which I cannot click on and highlight. I have to find the right arm. Let's see. Where to find the right arm? I actually don't want the... I only want to animate the right arm. I don't want to have to animate the left arm. But that's a problem I can deal with later. Let's try... Let's see what this looks like. Alright, it's still trying... Let's see. Maybe... Okay, here's what I think. Now that I've learned a little bit, I'm just gonna start the animation from scratch. That's gonna be a lot easier than importing another one. What is this? I have no idea what I'm looking at right now. Animation mode. No, I don't want to do that. I want to be in selection mode. And I don't want to be dealing with the sequencer right now. What I want to do, I want to delete this. You don't need it. Force delete. You don't need it. And so, let's see. The next thing is going to be to take we're going to just start a new animation. Oops, sorry. So, animation composite. Is that what these are? These are animation sequences. That's what I want to use as an animation sequence, because that's what I've just taught myself how to use. Let's see. Maybe they have a different name now. No, I don't think so. I think I'm not looking in the right spot, perhaps. Let's see. Gotta be. What are these? Animation sequence. Why can't I find this in here? Is there a way to just search for it? Gameplay. No. Editor utilities. Nope. Blueprint. No. Can't believe that they don't have this in animation advanced. Control rig, legacy. I don't see this anywhere. Where did they get these from? We get miscellaneous. Nope. Material. That would make sense. Alright, we'll Google. Where is this at? So it's animation. Oh, Unreal Engine animation. Where is that? Animation sequences, fast curves, compression. It doesn't say where I can add them in from though. Let me see. I don't understand why is it. Let's see. Right click the skeletal. It's like, okay. So wait, what's this? Why do I have an entire folder here? What is this? I definitely didn't want that. Delete that. Maybe if I go to the animation blueprint, I can animation where we're at. I'll move this over here. Okay, this is where I want to be because I want to be here. This is not exactly right. So this is the I think I'm getting somewhere. How do I create another one though? I want to be able to create another one. How am I supposed to do that? That adds to that. Don't need that. Is there a way to add this from in here? No. Right click on the skeletal mesh actor track. I don't think this is. Oh, no. I don't understand these instructions. Let's see. Right click on the skeletal mesh actor track and select fake animation. Do I have to add the word new? Go back here. Come on. That is the last place I wanted that window to be. Alright. There. No. There. In this weird spot. Okay. So I want to do an animation sequence. I want to do a new one. So how do I do that? Creating animations. I want to create a new one from scratch. I don't want to import one. Don't care, don't care, don't care. So we have that. This is more on... Wait, additive? No. Record feature? No. Sharing? None of this helps me. How don't they have instructions on how to create them? Oh, here it is. Okay. So you could create using just... Okay. Right click the skeletal. So we have sequencer. This looks completely different. Where are they? Where is this? Was it that? How do I open the sequencer? I don't know. Edit in sequencer. Oh, this is that thing. What does this do? So let's see. Okay, so now we have the sequencer. Alright, this is step 0. And then what I want to do is I want to add a new track, right? And select bake animation sequence. So I want to click. So I want to click on the skeleton and I want to say bake animation sequence. And then we have an animation name which we will call lift left arm. Which none of this might even work because I want to be able to have each arm independent, so I don't know if this is even a smart way of doing things. But it's a starting point at least. A learning point. So we have mesh. Is that really where we want our animations at? That doesn't seem right. 1 second. First person arms animations. So why do you want it in a completely different spot? So where we want this is animations. This is where we want it. Animations. What have you exported? Okay, you created something. Should be here. Okay. Here's our animation sequence. Is this what we... arms... Here we go. So we have this. Let's play it. It should do... It is... basically copying over that previous animation, which is not optimal. But... I can... I don't even understand any of what's... Why are you doing this? I can work around this. This one's at least... So now I need a skeleton tree. And we're gonna find, I guess, the clavicle. We'll just do the easiest animation I can think of. Just take this arm And then, well, that looks really weird, but I think what I want is something that ends there, and then maybe upper arm. What is this thing? Okay, so I want the arm. Unnatural anything ever. Aha! That's where we want it. And now we should be able to just rotate this into the position that I had. That's not working. This isn't working at all. Nothing's working. Why is that? Oh, maybe this. Alright. Let's assume that that there is working. We'll just call that good enough. And then, how does animation look like? Oh. Let me think. So... let's see. Okay, I think that's fine. Actually, I think that's good. So what I want to do now, we'll pause this, and then we'll go into, actually I didn't want to leave that page, because what I want to do is find blueprints first person. Okay. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna have it just going to run the lift left arm animation. Through, let's see, lift, that doesn't do anything. Animation, set animation, changes, or play animation. I don't know. And they also have their whole animation system that I don't want to really mess up. So let's see, character movement component, that's somewhere in here. Let's check to see how this works. I don't know if this interacts with anything. Let's just try it on the main event graph. Or actually no. Let's see. They have a blueprint here. What does this blueprint mean? This is just to create two states, if it has a weapon or not, right? So where do they trigger these animations at? Let's see. Where are your animations being managed? So if we have this jump, calls function jump, which makes sense. And this calls the function add movement input. And this is usually subclasses such as character and default pawn handle this. So let's see if we can find person, player, weapon component. Let's see. I think what I have to do is I need to take this and I'm just gonna try the animation in this. So I don't want also want true. We're gonna say play animation and see what happens. Play animation. Let's try this. Let's see how this does. Target is ourselves. New animation to play. We want the animation is left with left arm. Looping, yes. Yes. And let's see what happens. So compile. No errors. Okay. And so we run over here. We have collided. I don't see my arm. Doesn't mean it doesn't exist though. Oh. So we're collided right now. Do this. See, my arm is not raised, so that's not good. So... oh, I never hit a button. That's fine. So I need to hit this, right? And now that I'm holding this... now let's see. Did that work? No, it did not. Did that get triggered even? Okay. I guess we'll do more logging. What's the solution to this? More logs means add movement input? Sure. No. Add text. Add it all the way up here. Go over here. Text is going to say arm lifted. Let's see if this even runs in the first place. Oh, I forgot to compile that. Collided. I'm hitting left mouse and it's not registering anything. So something's clearly wrong. Let's see. Fly mode is fly mode true. Well, let's just do that. And then this will be guaranteed to run. Let's try this. So now it has to run, right? It did not. That means that the trigger must not be running, right? And let's just put this right here. Yep. Maybe misunderstood something. What is input? Do we have left arm is left mouse button? So let me see. I think I'm missing something very important with this, but unfortunately I have no idea what it could be. It could be event for when input action. Note this is not guaranteed but only when action is triggered in the current input mode includes game. See what you can change what execution pins are visible by default in the enhanced input editor preferences. Enhanced editor preferences. Is there something here for that? No, not here. Enhanced editor. Oh, editor preferences. Enhanced input editor settings. So why is it not registering that input? Can it only take the IMC default? That doesn't make much sense to me. Let's see. Maybe it's something to do with in here. No. Let me think. So we have instruction script. Does this actually do anything? No, it's just there. Okay. So the event graph. Why do these work, but that doesn't work? Only when action is triggered during input mode includes a game that should work. It should be triggered though. Why is it not triggering? IA left arm. Wait. No, that's left flank. That's fine. Left arm should be left mouse button. Why does left mouse button not work? Let's try a completely random button. Let's try a keyboard button of just 0. Let's see what happens if I set this to 0. I say that I really doubt that will do anything, but I have no idea what's wrong with it right now. It's not working. So I'm too surprised. So Didn't work. Mouse, left click. So we have... I'm gonna have to, I guess, figure out why. Enhance input. Alright. Up. Let's see. So we created the input action, we did that. We have all these things here. We have our trigger states. Triggered. Wait, maybe I missed something. So, oh, action value. We need an action value. That's the problem. No. So action value has to be true, I guess. True is not something that I can just... How do I should just be able to have something be true, right? Do I need to have a full variable that's just dedicated to true? I should just be able to have this, like, is true. Might as well have that. Oh wait. I guess we add an and statement, maybe? No wait, none of this makes any sense. There's no reason I would need to do this. Because this isn't a variable that we're passing in, this is the output. So that doesn't make any sense why I would need to do that. Let's add started and ongoing, and we'll see what happens if I add all those things together. No, I'm not too. So I should get. This does nothing. How doesn't this work? I have my input action, how doesn't it register it? I don't understand. Let's see. So we have How doesn't this work? What possible thing am I missing? Why doesn't this register? That's the wrong app. Where's my app? Let's see. There's my last app. Here it is. Okay. So let's see. I do all that. We added an input listener. But this still doesn't work. How doesn't this work? We have our input actions. But it's not working though. How doesn't this work? Am I missing? Let's see. How does this jump button work? Okay, so this has two array elements, press and release. Aha! So I need triggers in here. Okay. That's my problem. So if I just add press and release, it should work, right? We have pressed, and then we have another trigger for release, and that should... Okay. And if that's set to released, and then okay, so I think that fixed it. Now I feel stupid for not figuring that out sooner when I was making these. And it still doesn't work. How isn't this working still? The wrong thing. We want this. Maybe I need to add triggers to this too. So we say this is press, and then another trigger for release. And then what we have our blueprint here, which is supposed to basically trigger at anything. It's supposed to say arm lifted. So hopefully this works. Save. And I forgot to stop that. Let's see. Come on, lift the arm. Lift the arm. Lift the arm. Lift the arm. How? I'm so frustrated with this. I don't understand why this won't work. Let's see. What else can I possibly do? I'm following these instructions as best as I possibly can. Add an input listener. That's these things here. Wait. This is an input listener, right? Right click the blueprints graph. I mean, I did it a little differently, but it's the same concept. This is exactly... This is the same thing. It's the exact same as I have it set up, but it doesn't work. Someone please explain how I'm stupid. Did you try going to the top of the window and checking the details window? Oh wait. This isn't what I want. Reddit. There's our head. These are the let's see what I want. Okay. Let me see. Let's double check my settings. I really don't think there's anything else we can do though. Oh, that's the wrong one. Edit, editor preferences, enhance input. Oh, sorry. Okay. No, I don't want that. Is there more settings? Oh, this is what I'm looking for. Editor project settings. I think I see this. Editor project settings. And then we want to go to input. Enhance input. Okay. And then default. Okay. Don't need that. Alright. Default mapping. If I add this. Let's see if that does anything else. I'm not very optimistic. Aha! I got it. Finally. Wow. Alright. Well, that took probably close to a half hour. Just to figure out why that wasn't working. And so the next step... Oh. The next step would be to figure out if when I hold this and I Alt-Tab and then I hit Escape, what this looks like. It doesn't look like the animation's triggering, but I'll take my wins where I can get them on that. Let's see, what's my next thing? This is what we want, it's the blueprint. Alright, so we have... Oh, of course this never ran. Doesn't even connect to that. So we're gonna break this. We're gonna break this. And so we're gonna have it on trigger. And we're gonna see how that looks. I think it will be a little buggy, but I think it will. Let's see. I don't know how to... Oh, I don't want to do that. I kind of have to do this. Or maybe... Ah, the frames are so weird. Alright, I have a temporary solution to this. So I'm just gonna take... So... I just take this camera here. I just move it... Oh, wait. I wanted to just take the camera. Nope. Looks like the camera is a physical... Oh! Wait, did I get it? So it's just the camera? Nope, that also takes the arms with it. Arms are attached to the camera, that sucks. I guess what I can do... Where is the default position? -30. That's such a weird spot. Let's call it 0. So I should be able to see my arms just normally now. It should just be like dangling right in front of me. Right? Let's see. Yep, there's some buggy arms right here. And the animations... Unfortunately, it doesn't look like the animation's really running. That's not what I want. The blueprint. I want to go into my event here. No. I want to go here. Yeah, I think what's happening probably is that it's getting overridden by some other animation controller, which I need to find, but I don't know where it is at all. There is, what am I looking at here? This is, oh, this is a skeleton tree. We don't care about that. We care about this. Here's our animation graph. Where's our event graph? Oh, this is what we want. This is what we want to see. Wait. Let's see. All this does is set some variables, actually. Is moving, is in air. And then what? And then what do? You just set this, and then you didn't do anything. What is in charge? What is sending instructions for what should be animated? Let me see. How does this? I had to guess it has to do with the character manager, which I don't want to have to deal with because I don't understand it. Or the character movement, but I don't understand what this is. Actually, none of these even. None of these even do anything. They're just general settings. No, so that can't be right. So what is determining what's getting animated when? How do they do that? This is the animation blueprint. It does absolutely nothing for me. It's just an absolute bunch of gibberish. Their animation graph, their event graph. None of these explain to me how you're triggering your animations to run. I don't understand. Oh, you know what these are? These are probably those. You know what these are? I want to see them. Blueprint. Initialize animation, linked animations layer, post evaluate, thread save, updated animation. Wait, what? What did you just do? What have you done? Yeah, undo that. Can I undo that? And I immediately regret whatever I did. Right. I have no idea. See. What I want to know. Did I just did this crash? I think this crashed. Nope. Right back in. I think we crashed. Nope. Nope, we're back. We're back. Okay. So, what I need to figure out is I need to figure out what these functions are calling. Because they don't say anything about what these, and I opened Visual Studio again. Maybe this is a Visual Studio function. Maybe that's what's happening. Maybe that's why I don't see it anywhere. Maybe this is just a Visual Studio function. But it seems like it needs to have some sort of location for this function, right? So where could it possibly be getting this from? Why am I still frozen? I think it's Visual Studio's fault. Okay, okay, here we go. Oh, this actually is a C++ file. Where even is this pawn.c++? Okay. So add movement input. Okay. How does this jump work? Let's see. Alright. And why isn't mine working? Why don't I have find? How don't I have find? No, I don't want to edit them. I just want to find in page, but that doesn't seem to be possible. I need to find jump. Where is jump? I can't use finder for some reason. Reset, reset. Okay, so this is calling something in pawn though. Here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking there's a blueprint in pawn. So if I can find pawn, I should be good to go. So where would pawn be at? Let's go into all. We're just gonna look for the word pawn. Tell me where pawn is. There is no pawn. How isn't there a pawn? There's literally a C++ file called pawn. Okay, let's go into my finder then. And then go into Documents, Unreal. And then we're gonna go into let's see. We're gonna go into this. And we're gonna go, and we're just gonna say search in here for the word pawn. And this may never be able to find it because there's a lot of junk in this folder. But we might get lucky. No items. There's literally a pawn that's C++. I saw it with my own eyes. Where is the pawn.c++ then? So confused. How doesn't this animation... How does this animation system work? It doesn't make any sense to me. We don't need that filter in place. Blueprint, first person, player controller. I don't think we need to worry about this. But let's see. You know what? Let's see. Let's see if we can learn something from this thing. No, we can't. This means nothing. First person. maybe this will teach us something. Teaches me nothing. Just need to figure out how these animations are being managed, because it doesn't make... It's gotta have something to do with this blueprint here, but I just don't understand what this is doing at all. It just returns a Boolean. That's all it does. We have this animation graph here. This still has the same issue where there's nothing labeling anything. I don't understand how to override the animations. Let's see. This is so illogical, at least to me. Pose watch. That means nothing. It's like... I just want to know how they did this, because it doesn't make any sense to me how this is done. It's clearly overriding what I'm trying to tell it to do. Oh wait, we have all these weird things here. Maybe one of these means something. That means nothing. That means nothing. That means nothing. These are the same things. Just need to... So annoying how this doesn't make any sense to me. And I don't understand even how to Google this. I don't want to make a new one. I want to just take what they already have. Nope, I don't want to do that. And just have it work. This is nothing. I'm just going in a circle now. I understand what this wants for me to do. I'm so confused on this. Could it possibly be them missing? How are they managing these animations? Yeah. See, they're building this whole thing from scratch. I would prefer not to have to do that. Okay, wait. I'm learning something here. So they have a special field that don't have over here for some reason. Animation graph. Why do they get the special asset browser? Okay. Why does YouTube always set the quality to like 5 pixels? There we go. So you have... Wait, this isn't a... Okay, this is the event graph. That doesn't matter. Well, both of these matter to me to some extent, but... So you said something like is moving. And then... Let's just open up. I'm still missing important stuff here. So they take that. So what they want me to do is, I think I'm getting this now. So they want me to take my animation, which is lift left arm, and they want me to drag this into here. Which is a sequence player. Wait. So I'm missing one step, I think. What happens when I drag this in? Oh, everything crashes. That would make sense. That's exactly what I'd expect. Critical error. Alright. Well, let's... What time is it? It's 11 o'clock. Do I really want to... How... I'll restart. We'll do another hours of this. Alright. Let's see. Let's try to restore everything. Has there ever been a single time this thing successfully managed to restore files? Alright, let's see. We have this now, and we don't have this now. Come on. Come on. It's gonna be another 5 minutes for this, There we go. We have it. Nope, we don't. 12. No, we don't need to open this. Okay, we're back in this now. So let's reopen this up. I learned a little bit. Maybe I didn't. This thing could crash again. Nope. Just slow. Okay, here we go. So we have these here, and we have none of those matter. What I want to do is I want to go to the asset browser. I want to take a random animation, and I want to do what they did here, which is they went into, oh, this is a sequence player. Neat. I don't think I want to be in the sequence player. I want to be in the animation graph. What's this? What even is that? Where did they get that from? FP rifle jump from what? First person animation graph. Oh wait. Okay, so they have this. Whoa, what is this? It's too complicated, but you have the main, then you have this one here. Well, where is this one here? What is this? I can't find half of these in here. It's so disorganized. No? So what happens if I just take this, and I take something like wash, I just drag it in here. Oh, why does this keep crashing? I'm trying to do the same thing they're doing in the tutorial. Let's see. Here we go. Nope, that doesn't work. Come on. Come on. Oh. There we go. Alright, let me I think I need to rewatch some of this, because I'm clearly missing something important. Did you just downgrade this again to... Okay. Alright, so we have an output pose, which we have here somewhere. No, I just want you to open the editor. And great, now it's distracted. Why don't... I don't even know what this is. I don't see it anywhere in my menus. But it seems pretty determined that it wants to use the rifle jump. Let me see. Gotta be a reason why it likes this, but I don't understand why. Let's see. How did that ever disappear? There we go. I didn't even see how they have an output pose. There you go. Dude. Maybe it's as simple as just doing this. What happens if I do this? Maybe I'm learning something. Probably not though. Wait, what? Well, no wonder this has been so buggy. Even... Why didn't my animation save? Okay, so we have to take the arm. Thank you. Let's save that. Now let's see how this looks. I'm gonna have to re-add this in.
Can't you see I'm blazing? Still my heart is blazing. If the words kill me, I don't need you.
What is going on with this? What am I missing? Why is it that when this saves, it doesn't actually reflect in this? So when I reopen this, what happens? Okay, so that reset. So everything I did was utterly useless for some reason. Do I really need to hit? It doesn't make sense I'd have to hit forward. Really, does it? Maybe. Oh, let's just raise. And we're gonna rotate. Gonna bend. Then we'll bend this inwards. There we go. That's kind of a reach. Let's see here. So we have the reaching. And then, oh, right, I need to record it because this is animation. I don't want to make a new, I don't think I want to make a new animation. I think I just want to make a new, I just want this as is, as an animation sequence. That's all I want. Is this animation sequence. How do I save this as an animation sequence that actually... I think I have to just do more research on this. When I have more free time. Alright. Yeah, I'll call it.